a good night's sleep, guys, and I'm not even gonna lie, I'm actually low-key glad that I came on this trip. The air here is so cool, it's so chilled, like the vibe is just really great. Lagos is just vibes, stress. There's no vibes in Lagos, it's just stress. Lagos is just stress, but here there's just so much cool air, there's so much breeze, and let's be honest, when you're around family, there tends to be a lot of drama and what have you. At this point, I don't even know, because I also have an uncle called Uzo, so there's going to be some clashing of names. But yeah, today we're supposed to go for a burial, but I'm not sure. And yeah, basically every day is for fun. I told my mom that this trip is for relaxation. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to cook. I'm not going to clean. So I better employ someone. We already have a cook, but to clean, I'm not doing shishi. So yeah, that's that. Want to have breakfast and bath and sit pretty, waiting for the day to begin. So how you guys enjoying your Christmas? I hope you guys are having fun, by the way. It's too big.
In fact, that's what I said. Well, I'm going to call you. If it's only one space, then we have to. Norman needs to join you. I wish you step on to my hand.
You can walk that way.
Exactly. I don't know. There's nothing I can do about that. Let me just call you. So I can now call her.
You manage it now.
Just to the there's no
that okay, I came to support. I was even thinking of using if she had like a rubber band or something.
No, it's not that she might not want to cut it. If not, we'll just use knife and
cut it, Abby.
Or the other man.
No, it was advanced though.
Oh, this is advanced, Mimi. You won't even.
That means you didn't pass this road last year when we came for the burial.
No,
okay.
No.
I think that's what happened.
My normal
route. We outside, guys.
Who's up?
Auntie.
This is town. This is not village now. What are you saying?
It's village.
What are you talking?
Hey.
This is the way. Everybody will be at home. I will join them. I will dress up.
Masquerade.
I'm moving them.
She's the first moving.
This is the place that KG. You will climb the hill. You go to the
yes. Okay, so this place has always been hilly.
Yes. The river. They have.
There's a river here.
Yeah,
now. That's what there's a river. So where is the river? Akeji. I will tell them I'm not going home until the final masquerade come out. They will tell you this girl go back home. Akeji, go. No, Bella.
Fear.
They said the main one is coming. I'm going to wait.
Fear when go will stay there till the last masquerade
comes.
That you serious? She'll be dancing with her pot bomb like Shannon.
Serious. His family, no matter how gendered you play, we wait for this. So, yeah. You will go to every home. It will be happening.
And people if this, you know, this good thing about it. Then, even with that thing, you enter somebody's and the masquerade chasing you enter somebody's. They open the door for
you. They don't even care who you are.
They don't care. They open the door. They give you food.
It was a beautiful festival. Beautiful. I'm not joking. Now, Christianity, people are getting whether they used to do any other thing
behind
about it.
We didn't know.
No. Our own is that.
Let us have fun.
Inside that place that you like Raffia, those are the people that drum the music. You don't see them.
How this one here, this one And that's one standing there. Slide us.
You really thought we were going to stay here? Nah,
I don't blame you people. Everybody, walk one.
I said, if anybody can relate to what I went through for the past 2 days, I'd like it to do so. No, I'll find out. I heard that you have cleared that. You are here for vacation.
So I didn't get a chance to show you guys my outfit, but I'm just wearing this white shirt and a blue jeans with a pair of, I don't know what to call this, but yeah, the weather is really cold. So yeah. Somebody what?
This one said the motor is going to very shiny. Oh, okay, the motor is actually better than expected. Sorry, the fish is cooking there.
I'm sorry.
Hey guys, so my brothers have finally come in and we're at a hotel now. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. I just had this bodysuit that I got from Shein, this belt my mom got from me from Ross, and a pair of mom jeans and a slipper. So yeah, by the way, my hair is from Bow Hair, in case you guys was wondering, and it is shake. But yeah, we're supposed to go out today again, but if I don't check in again, this is gonna be the end of the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and happy Christmas Eve, guys. Wishing you the best of your Christmas holidays and a prosperous new year. Trust me, I'm still gonna say this again, so well, peace out, guys. Come and introduce yourself. Everybody, come and introduce yourself. Yeah, what's your name? What's your name?
Introduce yourself now, but why are you crying?
He's just doing both. Oh yeah.
Classic man.
What do you classic man?
About move out.
Oh yeah.
Mr. You're
Okay.
disappointed.
Oh yeah, you, what's your name?
My name is Naomi Katolwani.
It's enough oh yeah, your own name. Kati. Your own name.
Hey,
We didn't ask you for the time. Your name.
yeah, boy, Mr. Kalu.
Oh yeah. Auntie's in the house. Introduce.
Oh yeah, I'm the mother in Israel. You know, I belong to the young generation.
Oh yeah.
CEO, aka.
Introduce yourself.
CEO, MD, CEO, Pastor, Mrs. Gogo.
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll save grandma for last.
Yeah. You have to do me makeup. I cannot do this.
Oh yeah.
Go inside, look at that. Hi. There is enough sharp. My name is
What?
Okay, spicy pepper.
Who said I'm pepper?
Spicy pepper.
My guy.
Oh yeah.
Who are you?
Chairman, Hush Puppy, introduce please.
What's your name?
Introduce yourself.
PhD.
PhD.
I am the first grandson of Chief
Yeah.
Edward. Ugala.
Oh yeah, young man, introduce yourself.
Auntie, come to mine.
Oh yeah.
Auntie, come to mine.
This is my little brother, Gabriel Kalutolu Lore.
Okay, let's move to the uncles. Okay. Namesake, please introduce yourself.
Oh, my name is Suzade Makano.
AKA Uncle Dolly.
Exactly.
With the dollars.
My name is Tiokoro
Yes.
OTJ.
Give us. So, Grandma, you ready to show yourself? This one. Oh yeah.
Name is Sharon.
Just Sharon. No technical. No technical names.
No, it's not me.
Oh yeah, Chiamaka, your own. Give us.
My name is Chiamaka. It's your guy.
Okay. All right.
It's your guy.
Your own is just Sharon.
Sharon.
It's Uche that is missing.
Hey,
No, this classic man. David is classic man. Oh, the classic. Yeah, classic man. David is a classic man. But grandma will not be ready now.
your camera is too sharp.